everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Scribblefix and today I'm going to be showing off some craft supplies I got from Kmart. As an Australian artist and crafter, lately I have noticed that Kmart has been upping their game lately with the craft supplies that they sell. So to begin, we have 2 packs of lovely washi tape here that was $5 each. These are 10 packs and they have such cute little designs in them. I love them. Next here we have these little craft coasters. These were $3 Australian dollars, of course. And these caught my eye because I saw them and I thought, you know what? These would make a cute little art project where I paint on them. Next on the list, I got very excited when I saw these packs of polymer clay. I had no idea that Kmart even sold these. Maybe they're new, I have no idea. But there were 3 different color variations that you could get. There was the neutral tones. They look pretty cool and very interesting color choices. We also have pink tones and also earthy tones, which look mainly like, you know, a variety of different skin tones, which is pretty cool. Next up on the list is these little clay tools, which I thought were pretty interesting. They're like completely plastic and there's also a nice little acrylic roller. Very nice, very nice. I'll be interested in trying them. So let's open up some of these and just to get a better look at them and talk a little bit about my plans of what to do with them. So these coasters look pretty nice. They are made of MDF and they are a little bit thin, but if you prime them up with some, you know, nice primer for paint and then you paint them, I think that they have quite a bit of potential to make a cute little artwork, perhaps like cups of teas or something like that you could like then put like your drink on. I thought it was a cool idea. So with these washies, I noticed Kmart has a wide variety of different ones and I only picked 2 to buy today because I'm trying to be a little bit, you know, more careful with my money, but I did need some new washies because I use them often when packaging orders, and I also really like to use them in art sometimes. Like, let's say add a little accent or a little pattern onto a Copic marker artwork, or even do a challenge where I try to make an artwork completely with washi tapes. That one was an interesting one. Maybe I should try it again and see if I can do better. Comment below if you think I should. But yeah, I really love these designs here because there are quite a lot of plants on them, which I find are really, really cute. And there's also some Australian animals and some Australian plants on there too. There is a cockatoo and I think a kookaburra. And look at all these little plant pots here. I just thought that they were adorable. So I couldn't help myself. I just had to get them. These have a pretty good value for money too. They were only $5 a packet and there was 10 in each packet, and that is a lot of designs. So that's why I love going to Kmart to get my washi tape, and I'm glad that they have so many designs now. So let's move these to the side now and have a look at the polymer clay. I've been very excited about this. So I felt like they definitely picked some interesting color choices. These were the only 3 that I saw available, and as you can see here are the clay tools. I'll just give you a bit of a closer look at them. I really like that they included that acrylic roller. Very, very cool because I need one of those. And here is the first pack. I think these are the skin tone kind of ones, and I really like these because you could sort of like sculpt and maybe like make a face with them. Any sort of skin tone you like. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm not sure if I would sculpt a tiny face, but you know, maybe if you're doing like doll making or something, that would be pretty awesome. I really like that idea actually. Maybe I should do that. Now that I'm looking back, the first ones were actually the pink tones, but they are quite of a fleshy pink color, and these are more of the less pinkish tones. Let me have a look. They are the earthy tones and it's nice that they both include a white in there, very convenient, as well as a black in one of the packets. And here is the neutral tones. This one's very interesting because there's like red, white, yellow, and then like a grayish blue color and a green. I don't know why they picked those colors specifically, but they all are pretty nice and desaturated looking, and I think they work together pretty well too if you wanted to make some jewelry or something. I have no idea. I don't plan on making jewelry, but if you have any ideas for what I could make with this polymer clay, I would be very, very interested in hearing what you have to say, because at the moment I'm a little bit stumped. I don't know what I'll make with them, but I'm sure whatever it will be pretty fun. So looking at these tools here, I'm pretty interested in the choices of the tips that they have decided to include. I'm not going to open these in this video just because you can already get a pretty good look at them as is, and I don't want to lose any for when I actually make the video. But yeah, this was a pretty interesting Kmart craft haul. Overall, pretty good. I didn't spend too much money too, which is great. So if you're Australian and you want to go check out these, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already yet. And hit that little cheeky like button as well. That really helps me out. And I hope you're all having a lovely day. Please stay safe out there. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye everyone.